Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook surimi snow leg style. We will explore simple steps to transform imitation crab into a delightful meal. This process focuses on enhancing its natural flavors and achieving a perfect texture, ensuring a satisfying culinary experience for everyone. Get ready to prepare a quick and delicious dish that tastes impressive with minimal effort, perfect for any occasion. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this tasty preparation. You will need approximately 1 pound of high-quality surimi snow leg style, which is imitation crab. Also, have on hand 2 tablespoons of rich unsalted butter and 1 finely minced clove of fresh garlic, which adds a wonderful aroma. Don't forget 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley and a small amount of fresh lemon juice for brightness, ensuring a balanced and flavorful dish. Next, we start the sautéing process to build the flavor base. Place a large skillet over a steady medium-low heat, then add the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Allow the butter to melt completely, creating a smooth, golden pool. Once melted, add the minced garlic and gently cook it for about 1 minute, just until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, being careful not to let it brown too much. Now, it is time to introduce the star of our dish. Carefully add the thawed surimi snow legs directly into the skillet with the fragrant garlic butter. Cook them gently for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, making sure to turn them occasionally so they heat evenly on all sides. Remember, surimi is already cooked, so avoid overcooking to preserve its delicate, tender texture. Finally, stir in the fresh parsley and a dash of black pepper for a delicious finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.